Hello everyone! Welcome to Kids Learn Python and Math the Fun Way. My name is Joseph.
My name is Xihong.
And in this channel, we will learn Python coding and math together in a fun and easy way. Have you ever wanted to learn Python coding, create math projects, make fun games, build cool programs on the computer? Then you are in the right place. In this class, we will learn step-by-step Python coding, fun math activities, coding games, problem solving, and even creative projects. Don't worry if you are a beginner. We will learn together slowly and have lots of fun. You can also find our coding projects and class materials here at github.com/suxh2019/math_coding. Let's start our amazing coding adventure together. See you in the first lesson. Also, if you are interested, make sure to like and subscribe to this video. Thank you.